Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, to add a password, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, you can type in any website, or click on Select App instead and tap on the chosen one. I want to add a password to booking.com. Now enter your username, email or phone number, password, and if you want to, you can even take some helpful notes. When you're done, just click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!